Let's explore Birmingham Wildlife Conservation Park together. Formerly known as Birmingham Nature Centre, this small zoo is located on the edge of Cannon Hill Park in Birmingham, England. It is owned and managed by Birmingham City Council. Birmingham Wildlife Conservation Park is home to a unique collection of animals from around the world, including red pandas, lemurs, reptiles, meerkats, otters, birds, wallabies, and a large variety of monkeys. Our favorite moment during the visit was seeing the adorable red panda up close. We stopped by for a while to watch it, and it was truly a delightful experience. This park is a great place to get close to some of the world's rarest animals and enjoy a fun family day out when you are in Birmingham. We had a wonderful time on our short trip to Birmingham Wildlife Conservation Park and highly recommend visiting if you are ever around.